Equation of a parabola in standard form with vertex at 0, 0. Definition: the line perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus is known as the axis of the parabola. This is a one parabola. This place is focus, yes. This is directrix. This line is perpendicular to the directrix and passing through the focus is known as the axis. Second one, the intersection point of the axis with the curve is called vertex of the parabola. Intersection point of axis and curve is vertex. This point is vertex A 0, 0. This point is vertex. Intersection point of the axis and the curve is vertex. Third one, any chord of the parabola through its focus is called focal chord of the parabola. Any chord passes through the focus is called focal chord. Fourth one, the length of the focal chord perpendicular to the axis is called latus rectum of the parabola. Length of the focal chord perpendicular to the axis, this one, perpendicular to the axis is called latus rectum, L dash. Next, parabola in standard form. 4 types of parabola. First one, y squared equal to 4ax, open rightward. Y squared equal to minus 4ax, open leftward. X squared equal to 4ay, open upward. X squared equal to minus 4ay, open downward. Now, see the diagram of the 4 types. First one, equation y squared equal to 4ax, open rightward. Diagram: x axis, y axis, origin point, open rightward. This is focus. Passing through the focus is called latus rectum. X equal to a. This point is a, 0. Directrix L. This equation is x equal to minus a. Vertex, origin point 0, 0. Focus a, 0. Axis of symmetry, this is x axis, therefore y equal to 0 or x axis. Equation of directrix, x equal to minus a. Length of latus rectum 4a. Second type, y squared equal to minus 4ax, open leftward. Diagram: x axis, y axis, origin point, open leftward. This is vertex A, 0, 0. Focus S. Line passing through the focus is called latus rectum. Equation of latus rectum is x equal to minus a. Focus point minus a, 0. Directrix L, x equal to plus a. Vertices 0, 0. Focus minus a, 0. Axis of symmetry x axis, therefore y equal to 0 or x axis. Equation of directrix x equal to plus a. Length of latus rectum 4a. Third type, x squared equal to 4ay, open upward. Diagram is x axis, this is y axis, open upward. This is focus S. Line passing through the focus, this is latus rectum L dash. This is vertex A, 0, 0. Directrix y equal to minus a. Equation of lattice rectum y equal to plus a. Vertices 0, 0 and focus 0, a. This point is 0, a. Axis of symmetry. This parabola symmetric about y axis. Therefore, x equal to 0 or y axis. Equation of directrix. Y equal to minus a. Length of lattice rectum 4a. Fourth one, x squared equal to minus 4ay open downward. Diagram. X axis, y axis, origin point. Open downward. This is vertex A, 0, 0. Focus. This is lattice rectum. Directrix. Equation of lattice rectum y equal to minus a. Equation of directrix y equal to plus a. Vertices 0, 0 and focus 0, minus a. This place is 0, minus a. Equation of symmetry. This parabola symmetric about y axis. Therefore, x equal to 0 or y axis. Equation of directrix y equal to plus a. Length of lattice rectum is 4a.